Opioids are a class of drug used to reduce pain. They include prescription medications such as Vicodin and fentanyl, and illicit drugs like heroin and fentanyl that is not prescribed. You may not realize that someone you know is taking opioids, or that they may be at risk of serious side effects. The reality is, an opioid emergency can happen to anyone, anywhere. But most often, it happens at home and in front of a loved one. Available over-the-counter, original prescription-strength NARCAN Nasal Spray, 4 milligrams, is designed to reverse the potentially life-threatening side effects of opioids that may cause breathing to stop during an emergency. When administered, NARCAN Nasal Spray is designed to work quickly and help revive a person in minutes, giving everyone the ability to help save a life. And it's safe to use, even if opioids are not present. Accidents happen. Consider making NARCAN Nasal Spray a part of your first aid kit. You have the power to save a life.